Hello everyone, I'm Sean of PooLin team. In this video, I will show you how to maintain your EOC05 and some details like the frequency and positions. I bet no one wants machines going wrong anytime. We run it smoothly, save you time without troubleshooting. That's what we need and why we shoot this video for you all. So we need to prepare some tools and sewing machine oil that you will use. Screwdriver, brush and rag. Okay, let's roll out. The first part is about the bottom of the needle plate. We will deal with the bobbin area, one of the most important places. First, let us remove the embroidery unit. Just open the bobbin cover. So, I'm going to loosen the screws to remove the needle plate. You can use this wrench come with your machine. And take out the bobbin and the case, which is easily gathering dust. We know that the upper and the bottom thread meet here, so we use the brush to make it clean. Add 3 drops of oil here. If you use the machine every day, we can maintain it once a month. Then, reinstall the bobbin. Please pay attention to the black triangle against the metal sheet. Otherwise, may cause the thread jam here. The second part is about the head of the machine. Add oil to this part. If you use the machine every day, also we maintain it once a month. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screw. There is only one screw here. Remove the orange thread guide. Okay, now just do it with the oil. We have 9 parts on the to-do list. Alright, I'm turning the wheel of the machine and looking for moving metal joints. Wherever it is, they are our targets. Look, here is the whole needle bar that moves. Alright, drop 1, 2. The 2 positions we drop the oil here. Keep turning the hand wheel and oil the spring here. This may not be easy to see clearly. Let me adjust the lens. Here are 2 more moving joints, oiling them both. Let's take up the presser foot and oil the spring here. Okay, back here to keep turning the hand wheel, to looking for moving metal joints. We got 4 more here. Anyway, whenever you see them, we are gonna to oil them. Please wipe off the extra oil to avoid hurting your fabric. You can use a cotton swab or a rag. And this part is well done now. Let's put our machine back together. There are 3 grooves right here to slide in. Then reinstall the head cover. Let's move on. For this part, if you use the machine every day, you can do this every 3 months. Here is the screw. Loosen it. Here, just one here. Just 1 drop of oil. Then put the guide to spread it evenly on the rod and reinstall it. Here is the last part. Remove these 4 screws here. We just need to oil the slide rail. Then pull it. The oil will be evenly on the rod. Now put the embroidery unit back to its original position and reinstall the 4 screws here. Okay, finally, let's test the machine. I'm sure it will run like a breeze. I hope this video will help. Just take some time and treat it well. This will ensure your machine has a longer service time. We do hope our EOC05 will bring you enough value and happiness. If the video helped, please like, comment, and follow us. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.